Ma'am Ami is from Bolinay. From Bolinay with relatives over here at Bolinay. Yes, Ma'am Ami, our nurse in class. Yay! Tagatoy! Over here. With relatives, guys. Uy, nangyay. Kamsya. Kaway-kaway, mga Bolinayans and the Pilariñans. So, over here at the store. Margie's Bakery and Store. Nice one. For the second time around, I'm here at Bolinay. Last Sunday, I was here. I was here. Police car, the police car. Ay, the giant. Okay. With my beshi ng yes, thank you for watching.